y'all. So today we'll be doing Mouth for War by Pantera. For this I'll be using my trusted Aguilar Tone Hammer, and it's drive option. So this is the overdrive distortion booster that I have here. I'll be using both outputs. So one of them will be the jack output, going through all of these. I'm not using any of the others, I'm just using this today, so it's just going through my pedal board. So the jack output will be sending the distorted signal to my computer, and I'll be using the DI out at the setting of pre-EQ, which means it will just be a direct DI clean signal. So I have both signals. So I have a distorted signal coming from the jack, and I have a clean signal coming from the DI out. Also, one more very important thing with regards to this song. Pantera tuned themselves slightly differently to the standard tuning. They tuned themselves to 432 Hertz. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to set up your tuner at 432 there, and then try and tune your bass. So in this case, there we go, something like that. So that will be your E, but it's slightly lower than your usual E. Right, hope that makes sense.